Hello, my name is Ryan Swanson. I'm going to make homemade butter today. First step, wash your hands. Second step, get all of your ingredients and equipment. Heavy cream, salt, which is optional, for 1/4 teaspoon. You need a mixing bowl with high sides so it doesn't come out. You need a mixer to mix the buttermilk. And you need a strainer and a glass of water. You need a spatula. First step, you need to pour your heavy cream 1 cup into the measuring cup. Pour this into your mixing bowl. Try to get as much out as you can as possible. Next step, get your salt with your 1/4 teaspoon, fill it up all the way. And then dump this into your mixing bowl. Next step, you have to get your mixer and start mixing for about 5 minutes. I'm going to put the timer on so it will tell me when to stop. Next step, you are going to mix for at least 5 minutes. You've been mixing for a couple minutes, look at it and it will start to look like whipped cream. Once you've been stirring for a minute after, it will start to look more like whipped cream and begin to be a lot thicker. Once you see it's getting into smaller pieces, you can tell that the buttermilk is now separating from the butter. Now you will start to see the butter and the buttermilk. And once you start seeing it, you know you are done. But you're not totally done. You now have to get the strainer over the sink and dump the whole thing, but I need my spatula to get it all out. Okay. Once you see the butter, you will now get it all into your hand and get it. This is where the water comes in. You get all the butter from the strainer into your hand and make it into like a shape. And then you pour it into the cold water to let the buttermilk get off of the butter and to keep it cool. And you do this for about a minute. Now you have to get a small container and squeeze the butter inside it. And make sure there's no air pockets at the bottom. And then seal it really tight. And then you put it in the refrigerator in a safe spot for about an hour. And then, as you get it out, you have homemade butter. After it's been in the fridge for an hour, it's all cold. And you can enjoy it with a piece of bread. Yum!